How to earn in Pi Network. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn in the Pi Network. This is a great way to accumulate Pi coins before they become widely tradable. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Open the Pi Network app on your device. Invite new users with your referral code to boost your mining rate. Complete the Know Your Customer KYC process to ensure your earned Pi coins are secure and transferable. Add trusted members to your security circle to contribute to network security and enhance trustworthiness. Stay active in the community and keep up with announcements for new earning opportunities. When available, use Pi for purchases and transactions within the Pi ecosystem. Contribute to Pi-related applications and services that reward users with additional Pi coins. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Like and subscribe at Softpro.